Good day. This is the animal huntress at Wakota-Hatchie wetlands in Delray Beach, Florida. And this glossy ibis has taken over the nest that used to belong to a tricolored herring pair. He's quite triumphant in seizing this nest and won't have to build his own. Here at Wakota-Hatchie, there are many birds nesting for the season, and next month in March there will be a plethora of babies: wood storks, great blue herons, anhingas, tricolored herons, ibis, cattle egret, the great egret, and I'm sure there are more that I'm not even aware of. Animal huntress, bidding you a good day.